Hello friends, let's other discuss of NTI TPC 46. बात करते हैं यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट की. Which of the following is the true about ring girdled plant? ओ यानी कि गार्डलिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट. तो द रूट डाइज फर्स्ट, यहाँ उसमें रूट सबसे पहले, रूट की डाइज मतलब मृत्यु सबसे पहले होगी. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड. Defining properties of the living beings are defining properties. Okay, not any exceptions. Cellular organizations, metabolisms, and consciousness. Option number C is correct. Question number 3. If the desired gene is inserted within the coding sequence of an enzyme's beta galactosidase sidase in a vector, then colonies of bacteria, okay, bacteria which do not produce any color in the presence of chromogenic substrates are recombinants. Question number 4. To which part of an antibody does an antigen bind? Okay, variables, regions of light and heavy chains. Question number 5. A family has 5 daughters. Probability of sixth child being boy will be first number and second. Question number 6. Which factor is similar in DNA and RNA? Both phosphate group have present. Similar होते हैं इसमें. फिर क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. व्हाट आर वर्कर्स बीज इन अ हनी बीज कॉलोनी स्ट्राइल डेप्लॉयड फीमेल होती हैं वो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Which are the following is true about biofertilizers? Okay, I will check about every question options. They brings about soil nutrients फिर enrichment. उसके बाद they maximize the ecological benefits. They reduce the environmental hazards. यानी कि all of these are correct. Question number 9. The occurrence of which of the following important evidences is in favor of organic evolutions? Homologous and vestigial organ. Question number 10. Biopatents are okay. Biopatents. This is most important questions. Right to use inventions. Okay. Right to use biological entities. Okay. Right to use products. Right to use process. यानी कि all of these are correct. Question number 11. As per the National Forest Policy of India, 33% and 67% is the percentage of forest that covers both plains and hills. उसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. How many of the following sentences are correct? Okay. Polycarpic plants are always perennial or are biennials? I hope no. Polycarpic plants are perennial or annual plants so clear cut vegetative reproductive and senescent phases. Annual plants is so clear cut vegetative reproductive and senescent phases. Okay, I think okay. अगला पढ़ते हैं. All perennials have inter flowering period as part of juvenile phase. No. The male and female gametes in flowering plants are produced in embryo sac. This is correct. यानी कि इसमें से मुझे तो 2 लग रहे हैं क्लियर बट इट इज़ फर्स्ट. ओके 1 यानी कि लास्ट इज वो करेक्ट यानी कि फर्स्ट 1 यानी कि ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. बट क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. Whose levels are lowered using oral contraceptives are both LH and FSS pill contraceptive. Question number 14. What is the meaning of geitonogamy? This is most important. Geitonogamy functionally a self-pollination, okay, genetically a cross-pollination. Autogamy. In this type of pollination, pollen is transferred from the anther to the stigma of the same flower, okay. फिर गिटोनोगामी, गिटोनोगामी, गिटोनो मीन्स नाइबरिंग. Transfer of pollen grains from the anther to stigma of anther flower of a same plant. It is functionally cross pollination but genetically self pollination. फिर जीनोगमी, transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of another flower on a different plants of same species. Question number 15. In which ecosystems will one find an inverted pyramid of biomass? Marine ecosystem. Question number 16. Species area relationship was given by Alexander von Humboldt. Question number 17. Protein hormone secreted by the ovary is relaxin. Question number 18. Woolly-form cells are associated with adaxial epidermis of isobilateral leaves. Woolly-form cells related question are asking there are lots of time in main examination. Main exam. Okay. Question number 19. Which of the following does not have a nuclear membrane? Nostoc. Okay. Because this is prokaryote. फिर Agaricus, Bivalvox, Penicillium. Question 20. Out of the following, which one is excreted in humans' urine? Urea. Question 21. Where is hyvoid bone located? Hyvoid bone. Okay. Floor of the buccal cavity. ये देख सकते हैं आप hyvoid bone. Only single bone are present. Question 22. What are the regions of the root from base to tip इन अ टैप रूट सिस्टम? ओके. फिर मैं देखो मेचूरेशंस जोन यानी कि जोन ऑफ मेचूरेशन, फिर इलोंगेशंस जोन, फिर उसके बाद सेल डिविजन्स जोन. बट एनसीईआरटी रिप्रेजेंटेटिव देयर आर दिस डिफरेंस डायग्राम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. व्हाट इज अ लार्ज मल्टीन्यूक्लिएटेड सेल्स इन्वॉल्व इन resorption of cartilage called chondroclast. Oh, chondroclast also perichondrial cells are cells that produce cartilage matrix. Okay. Question number 24. Incorrect. Rise in blood pressures beyond 140 millimeter of mercury to systolic pressure 90. Okay, this is hypertension. उसके बाद a symptoms of acute chest pain appears when no enough oxygen is reaching the heart muscles. फिर ऑप्शन नंबर थर्ड. coronary artery disease often referred to as arteriosclerosis affects the vessels that supply blood to heart muscles. No. Heart attack is when the heart muscles is suddenly damaged by an inadequate blood supply. Correct. Question number 25. Which are the structures in algae that help in perinations to tide over drought? A. Planospores, hypnospores, and zygospores. Question number 26. Out of the following, which hormones help in breaking the dormancy of seed? Cholecystokinin, gibberellic acid, okay, फिर ethylene. Question number 27. Who propounded the concept of cell lineage? Cell arise from pre-existing cells. Only cellular isolate. Okay, Virchow in 1855. Purkinje is given by protoplasm term. Robert Hooke discovered cell. Question number 28. When is acid concentration in calm plants are night? For C4 plant. Okay. Question number 29. Mycorrhiza, a relationship between fungi and roots of higher plant is symbiotic relationship. Question number 30. Plant requires minor element in small quantities. What is their major role for cofactor of enzymes. Question number 31. Which among the following is true with reference to normal breathing? Normal breathing, okay. Inspiration is an active process whereas expiration is passive process. Question number 32. What is the phenomena observed upon treatment of fats with alkali saponifications? Question number 33. Consider the following statement. Select the options that correctly fill in the blanks. The chromatids of a homologous chromosomes become clearly visible as tetrad. Okay, फिर Pachytian stage. फिर during the cytokinesis in plant cells, phragmoplast is formed and grows centrifugally to form the cell plate. Question number 34. Name the substance that does not directly participate in human digestion. Not okay. Enterokinases not directly participate in human digestion, but nucleotidases, bile salts, dipeptides are participate. Question number 35. Annelida excrete their nitrogenous wastes by nephridia. Question number 36. Depolarizations of nerve cells involves influx of sodium ion. Question number 37. Why does hypersecretions of growth hormone in adults does not cause further increase in height? Epiphyseal because epiphyseal plates close after adolescence. Question 38. What happens in Krebs cycle? Acyl coenzymes A undergoes 4 oxidations and 2 decarboxylations. Question number 39. Carbohydrates in this chyme are hydrolyzed by alpha amylase into disaccharides. Question number 40. Refer to the given family tree and answers the questions. Okay. First and fourth are correct because couple's fifth child being albino. Question of 41. The cradle of the human evolutions belong to which of the following realms? Ethiopian realms. Ethiopian, okay. Select erroneous, okay. Once after reading the following statements are carefully. Development of fertile topsoils takes centuries, but it can be easily removed due to human activities such as overcultivation, unrestricted grazing. I think this is correct. Water logging result in soft salinity. Okay. फिर ultraviolet rays are responsible for the degradations of ozone sealed in atmosphere. Okay. फिर उसके बाद ozone present to troposphere acts as seal adsorptions ultraviolet radiation coming from the sun. This is not so correct, but global warming can be controlled by increasing the use of fossil fuel. Global warming can be controlled by increasing. No. And fourth and fifth are not correct. Question 43. Which of which of these is a group of protozoans disease, sleeping sickness, oriental sore, malaria? Question 44. Mark the pair which is incorrectly matched. Okay. True fruit, mango, parthenocarpic fruit, banana, zinnia, effect of foreign pollens, pollen grain, and endosperm. Okay, but ruminant, endosperm, mage, no. Question number 45. In humans, from where are all the three germinal layers derived from inner cell mass? Question number 46. Which of the following is functions of cell wall in plants? It helps in cell to cell interactions. It provides barrier to desirable molecules. No. फिर it gives shape to cell and cell organelles. Functions of cell wall. Okay, this is correct. Shape to cell and cell organelles. Okay. It protects the cell from mechanical damage. This is correct. Question 47. Go through the following matches. Wild strawberry stolen. Okay. Econia offset. Chrysanthemum Twitter no. Pineapple offset no. Question 48. Where does primary succession occurs newly formed river delta? Question 49. Where does Peripelenta americana have the thermoreceptor sensili first, second, third segments of tarsus of legs? Question 50. What is the functions of siphonogamy in tracheophytes? Eliminates dependence on water. Question 51. Fill in the blanks. The removal of RNA polymerase second from nucleoplasm. In eukaryotic cells will affect the synthesis of archene RNA. Question 52. What, wha- what is the nature of typical growth curve in plants sigmoids? This is important because it's asking us in NEET 2020. Question 53. Okay, this is clearly visible for parents are affected then X-linked dominant. क्वेश्चन 54 डायरेक्ट गिवन इन एनसीईआरटी डायग्राम जो यहाँ पर सी रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है मोर रियलिस्टिक कर्व को. क्वेश्चन 55 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू एक्स सिटू बायोडाइवर्सिटी कंजर्वेशन स्ट्रेटजी. ओके, नेशनल पार्क इज इन सिटू बट सीड बैंक्स जूलॉजिकल पार्क्स बॉटनिकल गार्डन आर एक्स सिटू कंजर्वेशन. Question 56. Out of the following, which of the following genes are introduced in cotton to protect it from the cotton bollworm? Cry first AC and cry second AB. Question 57. Through where gradation takes place hydra thorns due to root pressure. 58. A genetically engineered microorganisms used successfully in bioremediations of oil spills is Pseudomonas putida. Question 59. To what immersion effects is related to increase in photosynthesis when lights of two different wavelengths are used? Question number 60. Which of the following options is true? Primary primary endosperm nucleus is formed in angiosperms only. Okay, is formed by triple fusions. Is it triploid in nature? यानी कि all of these are correct. Question number 61. Tracheids. Tracheids are also related for okay tapering it. फिर vessels are perforations and end. Okay, CO2 for कैलोज के उसके बाद बास्ट फाइबर्स के व्यवहार करते हैं फ्लोएम फाइबर्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 62. Out of the following in which one CO2 is not released? Lactate fermentation, okay, it is not. But aerobic respiration in plants, aerobic respirations in animals, alcoholic fermentations. Question number 63. Select the statement which is erroneous. Okay, like Saheli is a steroidal once a week pill developed by Central Drug Research Institute CDR and Lucknow. Steroidal. Okay, non-steroidal. Question number 64. Which is the family comprising the largest number of genera and species in monocots? Orchidaceae. Question number 65. You got a frozen sample of blood plasma for chemicals analysis. Out of the following, which constituents would be absent in the given sample? Thrombocytes, no, globin proteins, albumin protein, sodium ion, potassium ion. Question number 66. Out of the following, which one is the most productive ecosystem? Tropical rainforest. Question number 67. What is the name of the disease caused by a naked RNA particles causing the symptoms like that of a viral disease is known as viroid? Question number 68. In 4 o'clock plants, the genes for red flowers color capital R is incompletely dominant over the gene for white flower small r. Hence, the plants heterozygous for flower color capital R small r have pink flowers. Determine the ratio of offspring in a cross between red flowers and pink flowers. 50% red flowers and 50% of pink flowers. Question number 69. Which of the following conditions is likely to happen if the secretions of TSH is stopped from the pituitary glands? Okay, irregular menstruations in adult women. क्वेश्चन नंबर 70. डायरेक्ट गिवन इन एनसीईआरटी फिगर. यहाँ पर टेम्परेचर और पीएच को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 71. नेम द इवेंट विच इज़ नॉट linked with ovulations. Okay, surge in level of LH, फिर positive feedback of estrogens on the gonadotropins, bursting of Graafian follicles, but not linked. Release of primary oocyte. Question number 72. During interkinesis, centriole duplications occurs. Okay, RNA and proteins are synthesized. The chromosomes are elongated but do not form chromatin fibers. Question number 73. Name the organism that has scansorial adaptations to climb the walls using adhesive pads. Hemidactylus is found in lizard. Wall lizard. Question number 74. Generally, viruses are haploid having only one genome. Name the group of viruses which is diploid and have two genomes. Retroviruses. Question number 75. Integuments encircles the nucleus except at a small opening. This opening is known as micropyle. Question number 76. The nerve centers which control the body temperatures and the urge for eating and contained in hypothalamus. Question number 77. What is totipotency? Totipotency means capacity to generate a whole plant from any plant cells oblique explant. Question number 78. Which is not a secondary messenger? Sodium is not a secondary messenger, but CAMP, IP3, calcium are secondary messenger. Question number 79. The endomembrane system consists of the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, and vacuoles because their functions are coordinated. Question number 80. Which of the following are correct? Notochord is ectodermal to origin present in some animals. एंडोडर्मल, उसके बाद फिर नोटोकार्ड इज अ मेसोडर्मली derived rod-like structures formed on the dorsal side on in embryonic development in some animals. This is correct, but ऑप्शन फर्स्ट एक्टोडर्मल नो, मेसोडर्मल और इंटरमल ओके। फिर आर्थ्रोपोडा आर नॉन कॉर्डेट्स, यानी कि सेकंड एंड थर्ड आर करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन 81, select the incorrect statement regarding polysaccharides. Glucose is an monomer of cellulose. Okay, both starch and glycogens are a storehouse of energy in plant tissue. No. Inulin is a polymer of fructose monosaccharide. Unit of chitin is an acyl glucosamine, यानी कि नाग। Question 82, choose the incorrect statement. Darwin's finches observed on the Galapagos Islands were originally seed eating. This is correct, but evolutions of antibiotic resistant microbes is an example of anthropogenic actions. This is correct, but option C, the book Origins of Species was written by Origin and Oparin, and Origins of Life was written by Darwin. This is not correct, but fluids epidemics and volcanic eruptions refer to the positive checks proposed by Malthus. Question number 83, the second most important factor influencing life of organism is water because it makes major part of an organism's body. फिर productivity of plants depends upon availability of water. Question number 84, a taxonomic systems based on all observable characteristics equally weighted is called phenetic classifications. Question number 85, in maize colored endosperm, C is dominant over colorless small c, and full endosperm capital R is dominant over shrunken small r. When a dihybrid of F1 generation was test crossed, it produced four phenotypes in the following percentage: colored 48%, fairer colored shrunken 5%, colorful full 7%, colorless shrunken 40%. What will be the distance between two non-allelic genes depending on this data? यानी कि 12 यूनिट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 86, इन ट्रोपियोलम मतलब गार्डन नाचुरेशियम, ओके, नाचुरेशियम, the petiole becomes tendriller to help in climbing, but this is not correct. I think Smilex, but okay. Question 87, consider the following. Yeah, not correct. Okay, dinoflagellates are also called armed algae due to presence of plated cell wall. No, diatoms have two flagella, one is transverse and other is longitudinal. Correct. Spores of slime molds do not possess a cell wall. Okay, but euglenoids, so both autotrophic and heterotrophic nutritions. No. Question number 88. The diagram also represented of maturations of proinsulin into insulin. Question number 89. In mammals, the organs of Corti is found in Scala media. Question number 90. mRNA sequences is given below 5 prime, AUG, CCG, AUG, GUG, 3 prime. What will be the correct sequence of charged tRNAs? जो फर्स्ट है मतलब अगर यहाँ पर देखा जाए तो सी नंबर सबसे पहले आएगा, इससे मेथायोनिन, फिर अगर बात करते हैं ए की फिर ए आएगा, उसके बाद इसको बोलते हैं प्रो थ्रोम्बोनिन, फिर उसके बाद फिर बी मेथानिन प्रोपनिन, उसके बाद फिर बी फिनाइल एनानिन, उसके बाद फिर डी यानी कि वैलिन। I hope everybody like this video, because like and subscribe. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. प्लीज़ जिन लोगों ने अब तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। आप लोग देखते तो हैं बट चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करिए और लाइक किया करिए। लाइक कोई नहीं करता है, प्लीज़ लाइक करिए। थैंक यू सो मच वॉच दिस वीडियो। हालांकि मैं 90 क्वेश्चन 30 मिनट में कंप्लीट करवा देता हूँ। प्लीज़ थैंक यू सो मच।